Assalamu alaikum. Attention all current or aspiring farmers based in Sierra Leone. We are pleased to announce our upcoming day-old chicks for sale. Our available breeds are Bovin's Brown, Lohman's Brown, and Isa Brown. Prior to departure, our hatchery will have the following vaccinations: Marek's disease, Vaccitech Gumboro, Newcastle, and infectious bronchitis. No local Gumboro vaccine or infrared beak treatment will be necessary. Farmers will only need to continue Newcastle and fallpox vaccinations after arrival. Hatchery will be packaged 90 chicks per crate. Registration and payment will begin February through the first week of March. All interested farmers are encouraged to register during this period. Orders will be fulfilled by the end of April. Contact us through email or WhatsApp to get started. We will give updates on what to expect and do's and don'ts when ordering and receiving chicks. Peace be upon you and happy farming.